What are we making?
We're making cake.
We're making cake. We're making angel food cake. And who are we making it for?
Mommy.
Mommy's birthday.
Mommy's birthday.
Okay, Calvin, this is cake flour right here.
There
There you go.
Look, my phone is still dirty.
It's okay. Here. Sugar. 3/4 cup sugar. Go ahead and dump it in with the flour.
Are we going to do the mixer?
Yep, we will in a minute.
After we add the eggs,
Yep, the egg whites.
egg whites.
Sous chef. How's it looking?
Good.
See it changing its texture?
It's done.
Not yet. We are folding it in. Right, Calvin?
No, we're not.
Folding it in.
Can I taste that? I want to taste it.
Put her into
I
the
want to
fingers.
taste it. I said I want to taste it.
I thought you just did.
No, I didn't. Slow.
Go very slow. Very slow. Great. Nice job, Calvin. Do it slow at the moment, and then we can speed it up. Go. Okay, so Calvin and I are attempting my icing. What do you think,
Cake.
Calvin?
I love you, cake.
I love you, cake. Even though it doesn't look very perfect, we're kind of a mess here because we don't have the right tools, right, Calvin?
Mm-hmm.
And we're gonna learn how to ice cake this year. But Calvin agrees that it's gonna taste excellent, right?
Yeah.
Even if it doesn't look perfect, motto for life, it still is going to be wonderful.
A yummy cake.
Calvin, what do you think about our angel food cake?
Good.
I think it'll be good too. Even though it's not so pretty, it'll still be good.
But still pretty.
Yeah. And it's made by us, right? Made with love. For Mommy. Say happy birthday, Mommy.
Hi, Mom.